Okay, you have the paper, so just fold the paper this way. Okay, don't fold it completely, we'll fold only till halfway. Okay, some part is still remaining. Okay, this part is remaining. You will fold the paper this way. Okay. Have you done that?
Yes, ma'am.
So after folding it, you need to make a circle. Okay, we are making a sun moon drawing. Okay, so you can keep something, some object also and trace out. Okay, if you're not able to make a perfect circle, you can keep some object and trace it out. Okay, something that is circular in your house, you can pick something that is round. Okay, and then you can make it. Just trace out the outline. Okay, once you do this, are you done with that?
No, ma'am. This. And we have to make big or small circle.
It has to be big. Big means leave some space here, leave the same amount of space at the bottom also. Okay, both sides you will be leaving space, and then make. You can take some bottle lid also if you want, some lid of the bottle or something, and then you can keep that and draw of a
And
bottle
like
or a
this.
huh?
Like this.
Yes, very good, correct.
Or little bit up.
No, that is correct. Enough. Okay. Now make the eyebrows.
Is a moon or sun?
Wait, I will tell you what I have made. Okay.
Ma'am, the moon or sun not has eyes.
Many things don't have eyes, but we make it, na? For the ice cream also we made eyes. Okay, to make it slightly
Yes,
funny.
but it look good.
Huh. You can make the eyes closed on the other side. Okay, instead of keeping the moon eye open, we'll keep it eyes closed.
Ma'am, this side is moon. The moon is sleeping.
The moon is sleeping, and here the sun is waking up.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
We can wake up he. We can wake up her.
Okay, and then we will make the lips also. Okay, and from here we have to make the nose. Okay, the moon side. Okay, and the same thing you have to make it here like this, and make it here like this. Okay, so when you have to cut, you have to cut along this edge. Okay, we have to cut this up like this. Okay, so you have to do it properly. Okay, don't spoil it. That cutting we will do in the end, or you can do it now also, no problem.
Ma'am, how we have to cut?
I will show you how to cut. Take a paper cutting scissor. Okay, take a paper cutting scissor and see this shape I have done. Do you see the shape? It's like this. I just made one curve here, and from here down this way, and make the nose and the upper jawline, and not the upper jawline, but then yes, something like that. Okay, on the just above the lip, make the curve there, and then the chin. Okay, now here I have made like this, which I'm cutting down. You can cut it later also. I'm just showing you in the class itself so that later you don't have trouble in cutting it. Okay, see this. I have cut this part and like this, and I'm cutting the whole of the nose part. Okay. Okay, this is how you have to cut. Understood? Okay. Now we'll have to finish the remaining part of the sun because the moon does not have any light of its own or any rays coming out of it. Okay. So on the sun side, we are going to make the sun rays. And that's done. Okay. So that's the sun part. Okay. Now on the moon side, we will be making a few stars. Okay. Now let us continue the stars on the remaining part of the paper also. Okay, you have to do the same thing on this part of the paper also. Okay, so once you do this cutting, you have to make the half part of the moon. Okay, or else one other idea is the same thing you can continue. Let the moon be the complete moon. Okay, let you can complete the circle. Okay, the same way. Just complete the remaining part of the circle and make the moon. All right, did you understand that? Instead of making the curve of the moon, okay, let us not make this curve. Let it be like this. Okay, so what I will do is I'll make the full face of the moon. Okay, so when you close it, you will see half sun and half moon. When you open it, you will see complete moon. Okay, let us continue to make the nose and then the lips part. Okay, did you follow that? Did you follow what I'm doing? Yes, Nathan, are you able to do it?
Yes, teacher, but teacher's going too fast with the cutting and all. I did not finish the sun rays. I'm doing the face of the half sun, half moon.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes, do the face of the half sun and half moon. Okay, this cutting you can do after the class also. I have shown you the cutting part because I didn't want you to miss that part. Okay, so that part can be done in the end also. There's no harm. Once you do the outline, na, coloring and everything is done. And after that also you can cut it because now we are not keeping the same shape for the moon. Okay, we are making a sleeping moon inside. Okay, so you don't need to cut now itself. It will not disturb anything. Okay, you just make the outline and then do the cutting part in the end. Okay, I've shown you now because if at all I forget, then you will not be able to make it on your own later, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Teacher,
See here. Start from the middle. Go down with a small curved line like this. Okay, reverse curve. So on the moon, for the moon's side, from the moon's side, it's going to be an inner curve. Okay, and then slight fold at the forehead. Okay, just side bend at the forehead and then come down like this to make the nose. Okay, so we are making the side face of the moon. All right. So from here, just go down this way and then a downward curve. This is going to be the upper jaw line for the moon. Okay, and then make the lips. Make the lips normal, like straight lips. Okay. Now this one also can be actually made curved like this. Okay, to be very precise with the shape. Okay, and then here is going to be the chin line. All right. I'll be doing the sketch pen outline only this side. Be careful when you're doing this. Okay, do it carefully, patiently. Okay, don't spoil the lines. Okay, you may waver here and there a bit, but then if it goes out of shape, then it's not going to look good. Okay, so just be careful with the shape. Okay, now the stars you have to fill up in fluorescent. Okay, fluorescent color. So you can
Teacher,
either go for
I
fluorescent.
have means.
Now for the sun part, see here, I'm doing
टीचर
it in
यहाँ
brown.
से ना मून नहीं बन रहा.
हाँ,
मेरी जो मून है ना उसमें मेरी सन का आईज और मून वो नहीं बन रहा.
नहीं
आईज.
बन रहा है. सिंपल तो है. तुम तो लेवल 2 पे हो. हाँ, ये तो बिगनर लेवल के बच्चे हैं और तुम ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हो?
मेरी जो
नॉर्मल आईज जैसे बनाते हैं वैसे ही तो बनाना है. देखो प्रॉपर, सिर्फ ऐसे लो और ये करो ऐसे से, और फिर राउंड, और फिर आई लैशेस. यहाँ पे भी वैसे ही करना है बिल्कुल.
अच्छा.
Okay, see here, this orange part, just see this coloring. I have done this outline with red. Okay, and after that you need to do the filling with orange. Okay, this part you do and keep it. Okay, remaining part I will send you afterwards in the evening. Okay, this way, fill the outlining and do the base, a bit of the base. Okay, this is how you're supposed to do. And coming to the inner side of the sun, see here. This part of it, we have to fill it with red. Okay. Once you fill it up with red, fill up yellow over here, okay? Are you able to do it, Anshu Prad? Yeah? Yes or not? Now remember, while coloring, you will have to start with red at the base and red along the edges. Okay. And then fill up the central part in white, orange. Okay, blend it up with orange.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, do it this way. Okay, gradually along the edge, you have to do the red part. More at the base. And then along the side. Fill the remaining in orange.
Ma'am,
Yes.
इतना
Huh?
इतना हो गया.
Okay, good. Okay. I've done purple. Okay, or say violet, blue violet. Okay. And then towards the center, I'll be using blue. We can even go for silver, but I think blue would be like blue would look better. Okay, लेकिन ये पूरा करना है यहाँ से. We have to finish it all around. Okay, now the inner one also has to be completed here. Okay, you need to complete the lip.
Ma'am, we have to outline the circle also.
You have to outline the circle also, beta.
Okay.
Outline the circle with black and then do dark violet on dark violet, or you can take blue violet and do on the outer side and do little darker blue on the inner side and use gray if you want, or you can also use light blue. Okay, for the moon part. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and then we'll do the eyeshadow. Of the moon in black. Blue. So, blue. Okay, and the inner side, because we are showing it as night scene, we will either do it in very dark blue, okay, the background. Where's my dark blue? Yeah, this is the blue that I'm going to use here. Okay, you may also use black, okay, but be careful when you're using black. Okay, fill this up with black. Okay, later on you are going to smudge all this with the tissue, okay, or maybe a bud, so that it gets even. Do it carefully, okay? The black color gets dirty otherwise, and it spoils the entire drawing. So be a little careful when you do the black part. Okay, after you do this, finish off with your sun part. Okay, now on the place around the sun, we will be doing blue. Okay, light blue, not dark but light. Okay,